YouTube has finally reviewed the faceless channels that are still eligible for monetization, even with this new monetization update that will be implemented from the 15th of July 2025. As you all know, a lot of content creators are in confusion. They don't know exactly what to do so that their channels will not be affected by this new monetization update. Some of them have lost videos on their channel, some have been denied monetization, some their monetization has actually been taken. While they are facing this, other content creators are still making money and they still have their monetization, and some have just applied for monetization and their monetization have been approved. One thing I want you all to know is YouTube is not against faceless channels. As you all know, there was a time on YouTube when the highest paid YouTubers were those who had faceless channels. But right now, YouTube has updated its monetization policies and we need to work towards that so that we avoid YouTube demonetizing our channels or denying our monetization or taking some of our videos down. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you the faceless channels that are still eligible for monetization, and also I'm going to share with you what you can do to avoid being affected by this new monetization update. Without further ado, let's get into the video proper so your head can be cleared and you can be relaxed and continue creating content for your channels. The first kind of faceless channel that is actually free from this new monetization update is storytelling channels with personal script or rewrite. If you have this kind of channel, then you are safe from this new update. Examples of this kind of storytelling channels are Bible stories and also true crime stories. So if you have this kind of faceless channel, then your channel is safe from this new monetization update, which will be implemented from the 15th of July 2025. But if you have a storytelling channel that is actually opposite from this, then you might be affected by this new update. What am I talking about? If you are not writing your own script, if you are not rewriting the script, if you take a script that somebody has actually written or a story that somebody has already told, you can rewrite it to make it feel original. So it's not every storytelling channel that is actually safe. Some are safe while some are not safe, depending on how you play out your videos. You might actually want to go and re-edit your channel. The second kind of faceless channels that are actually safe from this new update are tutorial channels with voiceover. Now, if on your channel, maybe you're teaching about Canva, teaching about CapCut, or teaching about editing, or teaching about anything, and you are actually using your voiceover, your own voice as a voiceover on these tutorial channels, then your faceless channel is safe, because of course there is an originality in it. You have your own voice over this tutorial channel. But if you have a tutorial channel that everything about this tutorial channel is generated by AI, then your channel might be affected. The third kind of faceless channels that are actually safe from this new update are commentary and reaction channels. Now let's take example for channels that are actually doing commentary, maybe on football, maybe on a kind of food, maybe on a kind of festival, maybe you're talking about celebrities, maybe you're actually commenting about movies. If you have this kind of channel, then you are reacting to it, your channel is actually safe. Remember, not every commentary and reaction channels are safe, depending on how you play out your videos. Now, let me give you the faceless commentary channels that are actually safe, because not all are safe. For those of you who actually have your commentary channel that you edit the video on your own, you use an editing app to edit this video, your channels are safe. You use your voice to react on this, you are safe. Remember, all YouTube wants from content creators is for you to deliver them with content that is original and authentic. The fourth kind of faceless channels that are actually safe from this new monetization update are educational channels with slides and voice. Now, For those of you who have educational channels that you actually screen record your phones or screen record your device and slide them into your videos, your channels are actually safe. Why? I'm talking about things like B-rolls that you add up to your videos to make it beautiful or to explain a certain thing that you want to explain in the video. This actually shows an authentic something about this creator. Now, when I talk about educational channels with slides and voice, I'm talking about educational channels that you actually use your voice, or faceless educational channel that you actually use your voice to educate. You're actually having your screen, but your human voice is actually playing out. Or you might be having the faceless channel and you have slides of other things. I'm talking about things like B-rolls that we put in to beautify our videos and all that. Maybe you've screen recorded it and then you are placing in the middle of your videos to explain a certain thing that you want to explain in your videos. If you have this kind of faceless educational channel, then your channel is safe from this new monetization update. Please guys, remember, YouTube is not against faceless channel. It's just against how we have been using the faceless channels and making money out of zero effort. Now, to the last part of this video, which is very important. I know a lot of you have been sending me emails, and some of you on my community WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel have been asking me how you can do with your channel to prevent this, because some of you, with everything I've given, you already know you're guilty and your channel might be taken down. See, my darlings, the truth is, we still want to see what will happen from the 15th of July, because everything YouTube has told us, we are not 100% certain of which channel is safe and which channel is not safe. So what I would advise you to do with your channel right now, if you're wondering as to maybe you're in between the lines, is to go and put those videos that you don't feel comfortable with or you feel like are against this new monetization update, just go and put them on private. Now, put them on private and hold on for a bit. It might be maybe a week after that. Some people have not even heard about this new update, so their channels will definitely be affected before they start finding out why. But for those of you who know exactly what this update is about and you feel like your channels are at risk, put them on private or unlisted. Do not delete your videos, put them on private. It will not be affected. So when you put them on private, then you wait for a while and see what will happen after a week, after the 15th of July 2025. But no doubt from now on, if you want to create any video, if you're a faceless channel, make sure you put into the things I've talked about on the first part of this channel for the faceless channels that are still eligible for monetization. So take your time right now, go and put some of your videos that you think will be affected on private or unlisted, and you wait until 1 week after this implementation of this update, then we can know exactly what to do with our YouTube channels. Thank you all very much for watching this video till the end, and until next time, keep creating and make sure you follow YouTube guidelines and policies, and always update yourself with any new update on YouTube so you don't fall prey to anything that comes up in the future. Love you all. Keep creating.